Okay, I'd love to see you as Makima from Chainsaw Man.
It taught me one valuable lesson, that is never judge an anime by its OST.
On the other side, there are enemies.
Bankai, Senbon Zakura, Kageyoshi.
Tsukiwa, Kimito.
Okake, Sake, Tsunami yo.
俺はモンケディルビー、海賊王てなる男だ。
Hey, Mister, I am mad scientist. It's so cool, son of a bitch.
So Rose, Korema.
Hello, my name is Shariar Shah Khan.
Yo, I am Manidip.
I am Rishit Prabhat.
My name is Arnav Jaina.
I'm Sneha Satvika.
My name is Trishna.
My name is Animesh Raj.
My name is Shona.
I'm Anamika.
Pridhvi Sarkar.
I'm Harish.
Naindeep Deb.
Vinay Kumar Nayak.
I am Tanush. Devangan Mukherjee. Rohan Shau.
Swaraj Dian.
Shubhankar Das.
Dhananjay Herna.
Aaron Chako Allen.
Yeah, definitely manga, nothing else.
Visual novels.
Reading is always superior than watching. How good the anime would be, I will definitely choose manga all the time.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
I actually prefer anime because they have the voices, sounds, musics and all.
Anime.
Anime.
Manga कौन पढ़ता है?
Anime, then webtoon, then manga. Like manga is last.
I feel like manga should only be an option when you cannot wait for the next season.
Anime, manga सब mid है लेकिन Genshin भाई Genshin.
Anime. For me it's Shuka क्योंकि दिन रात का कुछ पता नहीं, लाइफ एकदम मोनोटोनस हो गई है और क्या हो रहा है कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
IIT जैसे पैराडाइज को प्रोफेसर्स ने और मेस के खाने ने हेल बना दिया तो हेल्स पैराडाइज.
बात तो सही है.
Summer time rendering because my life is on a loop and KGP holds the mystery. मेरा जो सुनने में थोड़ा ऑड लग सकता है बट मेरा है जुजुत्सु काइसेन क्योंकि एक बार पीक में पहुंच गया ना फिर से डाउन ही होता है और कुछ नहीं होता.
The cloud scene from Weathering with You.
I would say Irwin's speech from Attack on Titan.
Shinzo Sasageo.
I would recommend the first 5 minutes of A Sister's All You Need. A very good scene.
वाह क्या सीन है.
The hospital scene from Evangelion is actually a really good scene.
I'll just not talk about the actual weird animes because just in case my parents are watching.
Domestic Girlfriend, and for obvious reasons.
Domestic Girlfriend. I don't know why I started there in the first place, but it taught me one valuable lesson, that is never judge an anime by its OST.
Mine is definitely Perfect Blue. Like, I immediately regretted after watching it, and until today I'm not sure what I watched in that anime.
The classical Boku no Pico.
Obviously Boku no Pico, but not with you, bro.
School Days. The ending of the anime is very good. Everyone should watch it.
Prison School.
I think Prison School is weird enough to come in the list.
JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.
Interspecies reviewers.
So exactly like I don't do weird things anymore.
मैं इन सारी चीजों से बहुत आगे निकल चुका हूँ. My God. अब इस जीवन में मेरा कोई काम नहीं. देखो सचिन, मैं जा रहा हूँ.
Doraemon. Memorization Fred.
Kakyoin and his baby Full.
Mine would be Yar Fajar.
Mine Shion from Slime.
गिरा होया बंदा जमा नीच बल्लिए ओरा के सिरा पर नहीं रीच बल्लिए
Johan Liebert.
Nahida from Genshin Impact.
FBI, open up! Big Mom.
Double it and give it to the next person.
So my hottest anime take will be that One Piece fans only watch One Piece for Nami and Robin.
One Piece doesn't deserve a remake, but Tokyo Ghoul does. One Piece is the best piece of fiction right now.
Levi is Sid as a character. Like he doesn't have a net impact on the story.
Sea Dog V है. Gigak.
Mine would be Mask. Subscribe.
YouTube वो कौन देखता है?
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
I would like Lelouch as a new Prime Minister.
My answer would be Saiki.
My answer would be Rimuru Tempest.
Yeah, we not bad.
I think Julius Novachrono would do that.
Actually, I'm not really a pet person, but I'd like to have one of these mascots from every magical girl anime we see as a pet.
For me, I would like to have Gamapunta from Naruto, also known as the Chief Toad.
I would like to choose Totoro from My Neighbor Totoro, even if it doesn't count as a pet.
I prefer dogs, so I choose Akamaru from Naruto.
Well, there's a will, there's a way, kinda beautiful. And every night has its day, so magical. And if there's love in this life, there's no obstacle that can't be defeated. For every tyrant to tear for the vulnerable. In every loss, so the bones of a miracle. For every dreamer, a dream we're unstoppable. With something to believe in. Monday left me broken. Tuesday I was through with hoping. Wednesday my empty arms were open. Thursday waiting for love, waiting for love. Thank the stars it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. I'll be waiting for love, waiting for love.